Hi, I'm Philip Bolton, a product manager for DEWALT. Today we're going to discuss the 20V Max Atomic 4.5-inch angle grinder. Take on demanding applications with 760 max watts out of power. This tool was developed with the industrial professional in mind. The non-locking paddle switch replicates the performance and operation of pneumatic tools, while the spindle lock enables easy wheel changes without the need for multiple wrenches. Its power-dense design fits this performance into an ultra-compact size, allowing access into tight fixtures where full-size grinders just won't fit. The result? An industrial fabrication tool 29% smaller than current DEWALT 20V Max angle grinders. The DCG 402 accepts all common 4.5-inch grinding accessories, making the tool ideal for surface prep, cutting, weld prep, and beveling. Easily transition from grinding to cutting with the Type A clip-on guard. The on-tool storage allows for fast guard changes and improved productivity. Simply push the side of the latch and lift up to release the guard from its position. Slide the locking mechanism up to remove the guard and flip it to secure it on the outer edge of the Type B guard. And we didn't stop there. This tool is equipped with the DEWALT anti-rotation system to help maximize control. The feature quickly stops the wheel when a pinch, stall, or bind-up event is sensed, reducing reactionary torque to the end user. Additionally, the tool also includes an electronic brake that stops the tool in seconds. Atomic Compact Series, where size meets power.